I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall.
Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the Glam Lite Masterpiece palette. It is a neutral palette, so for those of you who love neutrals, this video is for you. I'm going to jump into the tutorial using the palette, and then I'll have a review at the end of the video for you guys. So to start off the look, I'm going into the Makeup Forever Flesh Tone Flash palette, and I'm taking that sort of rusty brown color, and I am mapping out the shape of the shadow. So I'm going for like a very blown out shadow, if you know what I mean, like a winged out blown shadow. So I am really taking the time to get the shape right in the beginning with the base, and of course blending and smoking out the edges of this base. Once I have it completely blended out, I'm going to set that with a loose powder. And now I'm going into the Masterpiece palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Sunrise, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Tres Leches and just making sure the edge is completely blended out. Now I'm going into Sunset Boulevard, and I'm going to work this in my crease. And I'm going to bring that out in the winged out type shape. And between every step, I am going back and blending out with the other brushes because I just want to make sure this is very soft and really blended out. Now I'm going into the shade Peachy, and I'm going to darken up the outer V and the crease area. Then I'm taking the shade Chocolate Bay and of course darkening this up again. Then I'm just taking the shade Braveheart and adding this to the outer V and in the crease. This just added a bit of maroon to it. And of course blending again. Then I'm going to take the shade Hashtag Melanin and really darken up that outer V. Then I'm taking Poppy Glam for the lid, and I think I used this dry. I don't think I wet my brush. No, I didn't. I don't think I did. Anyway, I'm just placing this on the lid. This is such a pretty color. Alright, now I'm going to be working on the lower lash line. I just used my blending brush to kind of smoke that out a little bit. Now I'm taking Kat Von D's Bow and Arrow lip liner, adding this to my waterline and along my lower lash line, and then I am smudging that out. And then I'm going to be taking the blending brushes and basically all the colors I used above and blending and smoking out the lower lash line. Taking more of Tres Leches, I'm just lightening up the inner corner of my eye because it just seemed a bit dark. Now I'm going into Glitz and adding that right on top. Now I'm taking Kalia and I am adding this to like the inner half of my lower lash line for just a little bit of shimmer. Popped on these lashes. I'll leave whatever they are in the description box below. So this is the finished look. On my lips, I put on Anastasia's Bohemian liquid lipstick. I love the like super dramatic glam vibe that I have going on. This is probably something that I would wear night out because it's like, look at me. Alright, so anyway, the review of the palette. This is a 16 shadow palette. It retails for $35. The pan sizes are big. It's not as big as a Suva or Sugar Pill shadow, but it is much bigger than a traditional shadow. This is a MAC shadow, ABH. It's bigger than that, so you can see right there. I think it's a great deal for the price. These shadows are super, super pigmented, and then the foiled ones feel like just cream. They're so pigmented and really, really beautiful. Every time I've used this palette, I have enjoyed using it. Even though it is neutrals, I'm actually just like really, really liking it. And they've also given me a 20% off code for their entire website. So if you use the code Becca, you will get that discount, which is super, super cool. Alright, let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.